So we're trying to figure out, of the three departments, which received the greatest proportion of the research funds. So I am trying to find, is X over the total, is that the largest? Or Y over the total, or Z over the total? You want to think of it in this fractional form because it says proportion of the research. So Z over the total. And the same thing for X and Y. Well, let's look at clue 1. Clue 1 says X to Y equals 3/5. But it doesn't tell me anything about Z, so that doesn't work. And then clue 2 says departments X and Z ratio is 2-to-1. That tells me nothing about Y, so that doesn't work. So neither one works independently. So now let's put them both together. So let's go back to clue 1. Well, X corresponds to 3 and Y corresponds to 5. So it tells me X is less than Y. And down here, number 2, clue 2, what can I get from that? I can get Z is less than X. Now, isn't that nice? So take these two together and write a compound inequality. Z is less than X. That's that one right there. And then use this one, X is less than Y. So Z is the smallest, and then X, and Y is the largest. So your answer is C.